Ever wondered how to pack your suitcase like an expert? Well, it's not as hard as it seems. With a few simple strategies, you can make your packing process more efficient, leaving you more time to enjoy your trip and less time worrying about what you've left behind. First and foremost, start by making a packing list. Yes, it's old school, but it works. A list ensures you don't leave anything essential behind and keeps you organized throughout the packing process. Next, choosing the right suitcase is vital. Look for something sturdy yet lightweight and consider the various compartments and features that can assist in keeping your items orderly. Now, here's a trick that not everyone knows. Roll your clothes. Instead of folding, roll them up. This method not only saves space, but can also help avoid those pesky wrinkles. When it comes to clothes, versatility is key. Choose items that can be easily mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. This way, you can bring fewer items without compromising on style. To maximize space, use every inch of your suitcase wisely. Fill up shoes with socks or small items, use packing cubes to compress clothing, and place heavier items at the bottom. Never forget to pack essentials in your carry-on. In the unfortunate event that your checked luggage gets misplaced, having essentials like medications, travel documents, a change of clothes and valuables in your carry-on bag can be a lifesaver. To minimize the bulk of toiletries, use travel-size containers. Transfer your lotions, shampoos, and other products to these smaller containers, freeing up space in your suitcase. Finally, always consider the weather and activities at your destination. Check the weather forecast and pack clothing accordingly. Also, think about the activities you'll be doing and pack the necessary gear. By following these expert packing tips, you will not only optimize your suitcase space, but also ensure a smooth, hassle-free travel experience. So, the next time you're preparing for a trip, remember these strategies and pack like a pro.